parking block in front of us. I can't pull forward, so I have to go backwards. If I had a big truck, though, I'd go blah, 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 blah.
Because if you have a big truck, you're like,
rules?
No parking blocks can keep me in.
No.
I got a big truck so I could break through barriers.
I pay $1,500 a month for this big truck, so I'm going to take advantage of it.
I can drive wherever I want to drive. You can't tell me where I can and cannot go.
You cannot tell me.
It's not your place.
It's not your place, homie. Did you enjoy breakfast, Johnny?
So, how long can your hair
7.
get before you look like you trade farm animals for things? like I'd like this glass of milk. Can I trade you a chicken?
I think. Whoa! First off, your trade is off. Trade a whole chicken for a glass of milk. Is this goat milk?
Okay,
cow milk.
But
is
the
it
question,
kitten milk? Is it kitty cat milk?
Like, okay, maybe my bargaining skills are wrong.
So there's no maybe. They're wrong.
How long can it get before I look Amish?
Below the waist, I think.
The waist is the line?
Well, I mean, yeah. I mean,
line.
before then, you're like creeping up on it, you know, like anywhere near the waist. But once you're at your waist, it's like, oh, where's her handcart? Is she finishing a pioneer trek with her pioneer family?
Just being Amish?
Oh.
You can make fun of the
Does she churn butter?
You can make fun of the Amish because they don't have the internet, so they don't know you're making fun of them.
Yeah, that's true.
Unless they're a fake Amish that says they do all the Amish stuff, and then they go and check their emails.
Just like my
from
cousin.
Their females.
Right. Yeah, exactly. Well, just like my cousin Timothy.
Timothy Geithner?
No, Timothy Jones, actually. He doesn't have internet, so like the Amish, I can make fun of him.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Timothy Jones. I'm Justin's cousin.
He always introduces himself as Justin's cousin. It's a holiday weekend. Is this a party wagon?
This is the party wagon.
No rules.
Should we dance for party wagon?
No rules. No left turns.
No rules, no left turns.
That's the only, there is one rule, and it's no left turns. Don't turn left. Don't turn left. It's the party wagon. He's partying. He's dancing. Oh, you dancing?
He needs his fan, babe. He needs his fan.
You need your fan. You need your fan.
He needs his fan. Plug in the fan.
Fan plugged in.
He needs his fan.
Where's the fan?
Get the fan.
Get the fan.
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 Right here, the switch. There's a switch. There's a giant switch. He needs his fan. The boy needs his fan. He's got his fan.
You look good with wind in your hair.
Oh, yeah.
You're a model.
Let's
see. You're not a model. Let's see you.
I want to be a model, though.
Let's see me.
Yeah, model. Oh, kind of creepy model. Yeah, you should stop that. That's freaking me out. Okay. All right. Baby Johnny wants it.